Nomadland's cinematic language is very specific. The emotional connection. How can we bring that into the soundscape? To preserve Chloé's idea, it was the most important challenge.
The objective is to be authentic. Sergio, he's editing while also pre-dubbing the sound effects in a way that it is spatially representative of his creative ideas.
The idea was to put all the elements and preserve this balance between all the atmospheres, all the music, everything that involves the sound to be an authentic piece of art.
The great thing about Chloé is that she's extremely precise. Her style of filmmaking, in terms of her desire to have a smaller, tightly knit group of filmmakers on set, that ultimately influences the kinds of recordings that Wolf Snyder, the production sound mixer, was able to capture in these very intimate and small environments where you physically feel like you're in the space. The trick to really great sound is in the recording. We had a track that really represented what the sound needed to sound like. It was already so three-dimensional and so authentic that we had this great anchor point to be able to work against.
Hey, Linda.
We have a lot of layers, sounds off screen that can improve and embrace the scenes. It's immersive. The idea basically is to bring those elements, but preserve this thin line, fiction and non-fiction. Everything should be in a perfect balance.
The sound effects and the sound design are always working harmoniously and very naturalistic, not melodramatic. It feels organic.
Thank you, Linda May.
In the end, as a sound designer, it's everything about compassion. The idea is to convey the audience, to have a real emotional impact.
Time.